1-for-1 business model. 1-for-1, also known as buy one give one, is a social entrepreneurship business model reputedly developed by Blake Mycoskie of Tom's Shoes, in which one needed item is given away for each item purchased. History. The 1-for-1 business model is largely credited to Tom's Shoes. Founded by Blake Mycoskie in 2006, Tom's Shoes donates one pair of shoes to a child in a developing country for each pair sold to consumers. Based on the success of Tom's Shoes, other companies began following the business model. Warby Parker began donating eyeglasses to people in need, while companies like Soapbox soaps and 2 Degrees Food employ the model to help with poor hygiene and hunger. Concept. The 1-for-1 model is a viable way to create commercial and social value. A study conducted by Stanford Social Innovation Review stated that trends in consumer behavior that put high values on social issues are a way for companies to leverage their competencies for a social cause. It also showed that market saturation and adoption by larger companies make it more difficult for consumers to differentiate between competing companies and also cause them to question the authenticity of the concept. It was also criticized by Fast Company as only being a band-aid in addressing social change, and that companies use it as selling ego boosts disguised as social change.